Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we're shopping factory stores of iconic goods made in Chattanooga. Chattanooga, Tennessee makes for an incredible family vacation. And pro tip, when visiting, the best Chattanooga souvenirs are made right here. So here's our list of the best Chattanooga factory stores.
Number C.
In downtown Chattanooga is the Moon Pie General Store. Moon pies are made in Chattanooga Bakery Factory and are sold as gas station road snacks across the country. The Moon Pie General Store is not just a shop but a pilgrimage for anyone raised on this lunchbox contraband of marshmallow graham crackers covered in a blanket of chocolate. The walls here are stacked with fresh moon pies right from the factory. The general store carries the newest flavors and tons of moon pie swag to purchase. But most everyone leaves here with a bag full of sugar.
Number 2.
Next, about 20 minutes outside the city in Collegedale, Tennessee, is an even more famous treat, made by the McKee Food Factory and sold in the McKee Food Bakery store, is America's favorite snack cake, Little Debbie.
Keep it on the cream filling! Nick, it's one of your cookies!
Here you'll find a range of Little Debbie products fresh off the assembly line and very much discounted. They got all your favorite cosmic brownies, zebra cakes, Nutty Buddy bars, and tons of Little Debbie merchandise. The company began during the Great Depression by O.D. and Ruth McKee. They founded McKee Foods and launched Little Debbie brand named after their granddaughter, Debbie McKee, and they used her likeness. Oatmeal cream pies were their first product.
It's the Costco box of oatmeal cream pies. There's 48 of these.
48 of those?
Yes.
Wow.
Coming to...
For only $8.
Yeah, coming to a barbecue near you.
And just a few minutes from the store is the Little Debbie Park. It's an adorable little park that opened in 2023 on land donated by the McKee family. The park is a playful tribute of the snack brand with fun play equipment and great photo ops.
Number 1.
And top of the list, located in Pittsburg, nope, not Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Pittsburg, South Tennessee, west of Chattanooga, is the Lodge Factory Store. Once inside, we start our day with a yummy breakfast at the restaurant Big Bad Breakfast. Here, there's so many delicious breakfast options, and many of them are served in Lodge cast iron. We then go to the Lodge Museum of Cast Iron, where it tells the story of the Lodge Company and the first foundry that was started in 1896. There are interactive exhibits where you see the process of molten iron turned into cookware that lasts a lifetime. The museum ends with the world's largest cast iron skillet. So this is a legit cast iron skillet, the world's largest cast iron skillet, and it weighs 14,380 pounds. It's a lot of flapjacks. Yes, Marco. And like all museums, we exit through the gift shop to the factory store. Inside, it smells like oiled steel. There's rows and rows of cookware of every size stacked high, and your shopping cart gets extremely heavy real quick.
Here at the store, they have the factory seconds area. So this stuff either has a blemish on it, or said uneven seasoning, or just something minor that didn't fit for the normal production stuff. So their loss, our gain. Everything's a little bit less expensive for those factory seconds. So
actually, a lot less expensive. Cast iron's expensive. This camping Dutch oven, we're walking out of here for $27.
Bunch of snacks in those that you can pick, mix and match, and some different pieces in that, and still get you all the awesome cast ironness.
Awesome.
Little Debbie snack cakes. No one has to know. Shh.
Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Little Debbie.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.